probably biggest of the day here.
How did you manage to get down the hole? Said it was up the hole.
I know, it's biggin.
That's a log.
It's a biggin.
Biggin.
Oh, it is a biggin.
That is the granddaddy of the day.
Yeah, that must be my master angler here.
Wow. Beautiful.
This must be my 40. You think so?
I think so. It's a good one. It's a good one. Thought I saw a big wave behind it. Oh, stay on there. Yes, sir. Buzzing, buddy. Oh, this is a giant again. A giant. Ripple and the softest presentation. Now watch this tree coming up. That was a good little clue that the fish was on the bait. I never even felt the fish pick it up. I just saw the tree and the branches move as soon as I threw it in there, and then just waited and actually have a little trouble getting this big old girl or boy into the net right there, even knocking over my fish finder. So the location I was at was known as Trap Pond. It's in Delaware, and this is definitely one of my better.
Go back around. Nail it. Like that. Just like that. Just like that. I saw him. Oh my God. Is that like elbow? He's way better rocks. There we go. You barely got through. This is here. It's right here.